Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is a non-judgmental, of course, pop-ups are popping up on my computer, um, negative-free zone. Welcome to all my empresses and emperors, and anyone that's new to this channel. Welcome. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell. I'm just going to be here for a quick second. Sorry to anyone yesterday that came on to my live chat and we had major problems. I had to restart the chat 3 times and it still was not functioning. I'm still trying to get someone to come out here, and so far, no one can come out until Wednesday. What I wanted to talk about, though, just for a quick second, it's only going to be a few minutes that I'm on here, is this is the, let me make sure I'm saying it right. This is Mental Health Awareness Month. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. The color of the ribbon is green. Let me see. What is the purpose of mental health awareness? The objective is to raise awareness about mental health, reduce stigma associated with mental illness, promote health-seeking behaviors and emotional well-being practices, and prevent suicide through individual education and outreach events. They also have, hold on. Hold on 1 second. It's another, October is the month. October 10th is Mental Health Day. It's a day for global mental health education awareness and advocacy against social stigma. This day, each October, thousands of supporters come to celebrate the annual awareness program to bring attention to mental illness and its major effects on people's life worldwide. Why am I speaking about this? Because it's near and dear to my heart. You know, I know that I talk mostly about Nazi dreadlocks on this channel, and I talk about nutrition and all of that type of stuff. But a lot of people that I know, and also myself, suffer from some form of mental illness, be it depression, be it panic attacks, be it just social anxiety, or what have you. You know, and a lot of people, there's been people that have been murdered by police officers because they don't know that this person has mental illness, and they think that they're destructive, and they feel that it's okay for them to just go ahead and murder them because of the way that they're acting without even knowing that they have a mental health issue. So it's near and dear to my heart, and I just want everybody to just, try to be kind to other people, because you never know what someone is going through. Hold on, I'm closing out something. You never know what anyone is going through. I mean, sometimes we go through different things growing up, and it sticks with us. I have personally been dealing with depression probably since a youth, maybe since about the age of 10, maybe even younger. As well as panic attacks and everything it's been over 15, 16 years now. Panic attacks, I had never even heard that name before. And then once they gave it a name, I find myself just still, fighting every day to deal with just being okay and being normal, whatever normal is, and being able to go out and deal with people on a social level, because I don't really socialize a lot besides here on YouTube, and I used to be the type of person that was just like the life of the party and used to do everything. So for me to be that person now who is scared to walk out the door sometimes, it's quite different for me. So just be mindful. I just wanted to make sure that you all knew that this is Mental Health Awareness Month, and then October 10th is recognized as Mental Health Awareness Day. Again, the color is green if you would like to wear a green ribbon. Some people have green ribbon tattoos tattooed on their bodies. I have a lot of tattoos, so that's something I possibly, well, actually, I don't want to get that tattooed on me because I plan on being well. It's just a fight every day. So I just wanted to come in for a second and talk about that. If you have any comments that you would like to contribute, please do so down below. If you have anything to say about it, if you have any type of mental things that you go through, please, by all means, leave a message, down below. Or make sure that you contact someone if you haven't already been in contact with someone to help you out. Suicide is real. It just got real dry in here. Suicide is real, and we're trying to prevent people with mental illnesses to, committing suicide, any form of suicide. I have had friends that have committed suicide due to mental illness, due to depression. And so, again, it's near and dear to my heart, not only because of them, but because of the way that I feel sometimes when I wake up and I have to push through. I really have to push through hard, a lot. But what really helps me is being here on YouTube, being with my empresses and emperors, and you all supporting me as well as I support you. I give you information, and you all just also help me out. I want to thank everyone who did the 10-day cleanse with me. Yes, I continued on, and I did over 22, I think it's 23 days now. I am feeling a difference. Definitely. I'm seeing a difference in my face shape, and I probably will go to 30 days with it. So that's a whole nother story. But if you all would like to join me in doing a green smoothie cleanse, just comment down below. Let me know, and I'll link you up. After I do my 30 days, it's a possibility that I will go ahead and do, probably another 7 or 10 days. All right, everyone, have a great day. Again, thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Please make sure you subscribe. Check out my description box, and then you can contact me through Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, all different types, Snapchat, everything. All right, peace and blessings, you all. I love you all, and have a great day.